So these were the growth levers that we wanted to share with you. Now we have some additional tips. This will also help you in growing your business in a long run. So these practices are very, very beneficial when it comes to growing your business on our platform. So let's understand what are the Flipkart growth tips here. First is cataloging. So since we are on a virtual marketplace and on an e-commerce platform, website plays a very prime role. So all your catalog should be very crisp and well crafted so that you can influence huge number of buyers to purchase product from you. This also becomes a very crucial part to convert the traffic on your products into sale if you have a very well crafted catalog available. Second is image guidelines. Again, being a digital platform, image is the closest that buyer get the look and feel of the real product. So it becomes a most critical element for selling online. You should make sure that you have images of high resolution and every detail of your product is clearly visible through the images. Now coming to Flipkart growth tips. Uh, Good packaging. The look and feel of the product when it is delivered to the customer plays a very major impact on their buying experience. You have to make sure that you're using appropriate packaging material as per the packaging guidelines so that the buying experience is good as well as your product is safe from being damaged during transit. So make sure you follow all the packaging guidelines for your products. Second is inventory health. It is again very important part of your retail business and e-commerce is no different here. You have to make sure that you always have sufficient amount of stock of items, and if you have variants then you should keep variants as well in stock so that you can fulfill the orders faster and do more business. Managing SLA. If you want to increase your sale, you must always meet the buyer's expectation, whether it is the quality of the product or time taken to deliver it. Always make sure that you're marking your product as RTD, which means ready to dispatch on time, so that it helps our logistic partners to come and pick up the product from you as quickly as possible. Fulfilling a return or an exchange request on time is just equally important. So this helps you in getting good customer ratings and reviews as well. So make sure you always deliver your products on time. So I hope all the tips and growth levers are clear to you. Now, if you have any doubts regarding any of these growth levers, you can post your questions in the Q&A box. Before moving ahead with our question and answer round, I would like to take a small poll in order to understand how was your overall webinar experience. Uh, how did you like today's presentation? So I'm sending you a poll, and this poll is only regarding the presentation today. I would request everyone to please address this poll and share your feedback with us. Poll is visible on your screens now, requesting everyone to please update us how would you like to rate today's presentation.